Hey everybody, my name is Andy Bauer. I'm an educator at the Lower Columbia Estuary Partnership, and today I've got a challenge for you. Can you drink as much water as a plant? The idea for this challenge is to illustrate one of the many things that plants do for us. Besides providing oxygen, food, shelter, they also soak up stormwater and keep it from polluting our rivers and streams. Alright, so let's get to the challenge. The first thing you're going to need is a house plant that has holes on the bottom of its pot so water can drain out. Then you're going to need 2 glasses of the same size. Pour water into one of the glasses up to a level that you can remember. I'm going to pour it right up to the top of these letters. Then you can take your plant, stick it on top of the other cup, or if your plant's bigger, you may need to just put it on top of a bucket. And then pour your water into the plant nice and slowly until all the water has filtered through the plant or has gotten caught and soaked up inside. All right, now that that's done, put some more water in your cup and refill it to the level where you started. And look at that. The plant has soaked up some water. That's your challenge. Can you drink as much water as your plant? Cheers. It's good for hydration, but it also gives you a real idea of how much water is being stored in the soil and in the plants around you. It's actually more than I would have guessed for a plant that small. And there you have it. Victory for the human. But this challenge wasn't a victory for the humans, it was a victory for us all. When it rains on the landscape around us, the water falls on different surfaces. Impermeable surfaces like streets don't let the water through, so all the rain washes down into the drain, which ultimately goes into the nearest stream and can carry pollution and cause streams to flood. Permeable surfaces like gardens or forest floor or the pot in our experiment can soak up that water and the plants that live in them, which keeps it from going and becoming dangerous stormwater. But the plant also transports that water back into the atmosphere through transpiration. Transpiration is when water is soaked up by the roots of a plant and then evaporates from the leaves. Some of the water is used by the plant cells, but 95 to 98% of it just floats back into the atmosphere through the transpiration process. So that's it, the plant challenge. Now you can try it at home. And don't forget to check out our website and social media. Look for other cool science things you can do at your home and ways you can get involved and volunteer in the future to help out the watershed near you. Cheers.